My name's Chris McCourt, and I'm the mine manager here at Simplot Silica. And we are in the agribusiness group, specifically the mining and manufacturing. Back in 1999, I joined what was SF Phosphates at the time, which was a partnership between Simplot and Farmland at what is now known as the Vernal Mine. I was a mining engineer. I also worked in production as a production supervisor. And then I left after 4 years. I was doing environmental and mine engineering for the organization. From there, I went to the Smoky Canyon and worked as a senior mine engineer, and then became the engineering manager at that location before going into the coal industry. For me, coming back to Simplot, I'd worked here earlier in my career. I'd worked at the other two mining operations, both Vernal and Smoky Canyon, and it was kind of like coming home for me. I'd been gone for about 12 years to the coal industry and had the opportunity to come back and be a leader here at this operation. I enjoyed the coal industry, but I'd always felt like just culturally, Simplot is where I fit the best. And so it was really exciting to be back. Coming to a smaller operation, I really enjoy being able to do the variety that's here. Like I said, we all wear a lot of different hats. We run very lean and efficient. So that gives me the ability to, like I said, be involved in everything from using my mine engineering background to looking at the financial side of the business, to actually going out and being involved in the operational side of the business. So I really enjoy the variety. We have 41 positions here at the mine. So again, we're not a real big operation. And that is what's amazing here, is the innovation that there's been over the years. We can actually, from the time we're mining the material to where we're loading the product, we load it in train cars and trucks, only takes 5 to 6 people. We're spread out over 5 miles. We have mining, we got milling, we've got stacking, we've got drying of the material, and we've got loading. And this operation has been set up to where we can do that with a very small number of people and be able to get the product to our customers.